In this video, we are going to discuss 11 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. Are you looking for a solution for your vision problems? Look no further. The enchanting world of herbal solutions reveals itself, providing your eyes with companionship that transcends the digital age. From the lush expanse of nature to the heart of your kitchen, discover 11 potent herbs that not only tantalize your taste buds but also serve as ancient remedies for maintaining the clarity and sharpness of your vision. As we embark on this journey through the lush landscape of eye care, prepare to be captivated by the various strategies awaiting immediate implementation. Unravel the mysteries of harnessing nature's power for your eye health, and you will see transformative results by the end of this journey. Let's explore the enthralling world of these 11 vision guardians, each with their own unique allure and potent abilities. Number 1. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba is an old remedy for improving circulation, particularly in the back of the eye. The eyes require a lot of antioxidants to function, and Ginkgo Biloba is a powerful antioxidant with numerous benefits. That is why we incorporate it into our OcuPlus formula as well. Beyond improving your vision, it may also relieve menstrual cramp pain, reduce depression, and aid in Alzheimer's treatment. This herb ensures that adequate blood supply is delivered to the eye. It can also be used to treat glaucoma and macular degeneration, thereby improving both conditions. Number 2. Bilberry. Bilberry is one of the best herbs for eyesight. It is commonly used to treat cataracts and retinal diseases. This is why we incorporate bilberry into our OcuPlus formula. However, its application extends far beyond the eyes. Bilberry can be used to treat diabetes, osteoarthritis, kidney disease, and other conditions. This herb can also improve both your normal and night vision, so if you have trouble seeing in the dark, this is the herb for you. Number 3. Saffron. Known for its vibrant color and flavor, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient. Crowin and Caton, potent carotenoids, take center stage, demonstrating saffron's ability to improve visual acuity and slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Its therapeutic potential extends to improving retinal function and protecting against oxidative damage, indicating promise for a wider range of eye conditions. Number 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, a culinary and medicinal staple, is a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin's importance in eye health is highlighted in conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and diabetic retinopathy, where its modulating effect on inflammatory pathways and free radical neutralization play critical roles in protection. Number 5. Rosemary. Not only is it aromatic, but it also contains powerful antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. Rosemary's benefits go beyond neutralizing free radicals and include promoting blood circulation, which is critical for eye function and disease prevention. Its cognitive enhancement properties indirectly benefit visual health by maintaining the brain's efficiency in processing visual information. Number 6. Dandelion. Often dismissed as a common weed, it emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, especially beneficial to the retina. Dandelion greens contain high levels of lutein and zeaxanthine, which help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Dandelion, which is high in vitamins A, C, and E as well as minerals like zinc, is beneficial to eye health and can help prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Number 7. Fennel Seeds. The eyes are extremely sensitive to allergens in the air and infections. A simple head cold can make your eyes puffy, red, and irritated. As the seasons change and new pollens enter the air, you may experience watery, itchy eyes for several weeks. Fennel seed eye rinse can help soothe your eyes holistically. Fennel is an anti-inflammatory herb that reduces pain and sensitivity. In a teacup, place 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Pour hot water from a tea kettle. Once the water has cooled, strain out the fennel seeds. Soak a few cotton balls in water and place them over your eyelids. To soothe irritated eyes, repeat this several times per day. Number 8. Passion flower extract. Passiflora incarnata extract, also known as maypop, purple passion flower, true passion flower, wild apricot, and wild passion vine, is an effective remedy for eye strain. This herb helps to prevent irritation and acts as a nerve relaxant. Like fennel seeds, cotton balls can be soaked in a mixture of passion flower extract and warm water. Pressing these compresses against your eyes can help relieve eye strain and calm your nerves. Allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes, this is an excellent time to rest your eyes from screen time. Using herbs to relieve eye strain will improve your overall vision because tired, strained eyes don't perform well. Number 9. Chamomile. Known for its calming properties, it reveals a unique contribution to eye health. Aside from its soothing effects, chamomile's anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant properties help to relieve eye irritation and fatigue. Though clinical studies on chamomile's effects are limited, its long history of use in herbal medicine suggests that it may have benefits. Number 10. Bentonite Clay. Bentonite clay is an excellent natural remedy for eye strain. Bentonite clay, derived from volcanic ash, contains dozens of trace minerals and has a negative ionic charge. When made into a poultice, this special ingredient helps to remove toxins from the eye, which can aid in the healing of eye infections. Simply apply the clay to 2 cotton balls and place them on your closed eyelids. Allow the clay to sit for 15 to 20 minutes before removing and rinsing your face. If you also suffer from puffy eyes due to a lack of sleep, although you really should get 8 hours every night, bentonite clay could also help with this problem. Make a mask out of clay and water and place it under your eyes. Let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. You'll be surprised by how refreshed you look and feel. If this is a persistent problem for you, you can safely repeat this procedure several times per week. Number 11. Herbs for the immune system. Another way to improve your vision is to maintain a healthy immune system. The herb asphaltatus is ideal for this because of its high antioxidant content. Grapeseed extract is another immune-boosting herbal solution that can improve your vision by increasing circulation. Improved circulation means less risk of cataracts. Grapeseed extract also helps to strengthen your retina. To promote overall eye health, consider this recipe: grind a few raw almonds in a cup of water. Add a half gram of black pepper. Use raw honey to sweeten the drink. Then, drink once per day to reap the benefits. Feel free to combine any of the herbs listed above to address your specific issues. Herbs can help with dry eyes, eye strain, and cataracts. Herbs can be an excellent solution for eye problems. But remember to exercise caution when taking your own herbs. Test unfamiliar herbs first to see if you are allergic to them, and only use herbal recipes from reliable sources. Do your research on lesser-known herbs, as some have negative effects on the body. When in doubt, talk to your doctor. Herbs are nature's healers, but they won't help you if you use them incorrectly. As we wind down our journey through this garden of vision health, the undeniable power of herbs in preserving and improving eyesight becomes clear. From bilberry to fennel, each herb has a unique set of benefits, providing a comprehensive approach to combating the stresses that modern eyes face. Incorporate these natural wonders into your daily life to support your vision while also adopting a holistic approach to health. Remember that maintaining long-term eye health requires a delicate balance of nutrition, lifestyle, and regular care. Start on this journey today, and your eyes will undoubtedly thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.